Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cloud with Ravi. In today's session, we will seeing about service tags. In previous session, we have seen about network security groups and application security groups. And let's today see about service tags. What are service tags in Azure? Generally, we can say service tags are nothing but user tags which we attach it to any particular service. For example, every time if you are working on any familiar services, we don't have to configure them all or keep working on them all. Instead of, we can say like it's kind of shortcut for the service. Once we select that one, it starts working on it and we can apply the rules on that particular one in network security group. Why are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and see that. So I have server one and network security group. This is RDP, okay. So if you see server, I'm able to access internet on this particular server. So let me go ahead and go to the server one instead of here. I will try to work on it from here. So I will go and add an rule here. Source is any, port range is any, destination is any. But in destination, I should not be able to access internet on this particular server. If you see here, service is nothing but service tags. You can see the message here. The service specifies the destination protocol and port range of this rule. You can choose a predefined service like RDP, SSH, or provide a custom port range. For example, if we are creating a service here, if the service was not there, in destination, we can select anything. And here for RDP, what we would do 3389, and for SSH, 22. For HTTP or HTTPS, we'll see 443, like this. For every other services, we have different ports associated with the services. So we need to remember them. But in real time world, when it comes, once we have the service tags, you can see here, once you select HTTP, by default, it's giving port 80. And if you give HTTPS, it will give 443. So if you go to MS SQL, 1443 is the port which uses, and 338, as you know, it's 3389. In this same way, you all the ports associated with this particular servers are predefined in this service, and you can start using. Once you use the service, it's automatically get reflected there. Not only this, we have many different things. So in this way, we can use these particular services. And if you select HTTP here, or you will select service tag. So in service tag, we have internet. Sorry, I think. So it has predefined port settings for these particular services, internet, Azure load balancer. Let's see what Azure load balancer has. You can see for load balancer, it is using 21 port. And if you see virtual network, okay, under this one, it has FTP service. Okay, so uh, for example, if you're using keywords, Azure Cosmos DB. So for all the services, if you see the list of services here, service bus, SQL, storage. So if you're selecting anything, it comes up with those particular ports for associated with this one. So this is nothing but like a shortcut. Let me cancel it. Let me show it again. One port. If you're going for a service tag, you can see here internet and show keyword. Again, you can select here and you specify the ports there. But for now, I'm using internet. custom. I will just specify port, and if I deny it, and I will give the priority as 800, and this is deny add. I think we did a wrong here. I guess we should be able to access internet. Let's see. We are able to access it. Why? Let me tell you. When internet comes into picture, we need to add them in outbound. Remember? Yes, from this server, we are trying to deny internet. Internet is towards the outside. So from server, it's going the outbound route. When request comes to the server, that is the inbound. So we need to add a rule in outbound. This is how we learn. We'll start making mistakes and do the labs one or twice, and you'll get to know many things. Source is server one. You can give the IP address of the server. You can say it was 10.0.0.4, I guess. Yes. Give it any destination is service tag. You can give internet should not access internet, and it should deny. Let it the priority add starts creating the rule. So it is fine. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. So let me refresh the page. Mm. 10.0.4 is that the IP address. 10.0.4. Okay, we are good. Or internet deny. Next time. Now you can see it is just trying to get timed out. Refresh the page. Won't communicate because we are denying internet from the server. Wait for a minute more. Once the and if we delete that particular rule, again, it should start working. Within a couple of minutes, it will not get timed out. You can see it here. refresh it, it's get refreshed. So it is not getting timed out. So this is how the service tags are used. They are nothing but the user tags assigned to services so that we can work on the rules easily. Thank you guys. And if you still have any doubts, please don't forget to comment, ask them in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts. Thank you.